Welcome back. I'm Dash with Sewing and a Dash, and this is episode 11, the Halloween edition. Now, after much debate, Mackenzie convinced me to make her a pre-Halloween costume. So earlier this week, I had you choose from 3 ideas. A, Ladybug from Miraculous. B, to make her into a Minecraft character. And C, Ariel from The Little Mermaid. And the winner was A, Ladybug from Disney's Miraculous. Now let's get into these fabrics.
It's time to check out the fabric.
So we have this red stretch lycra for the full bodysuit, and also have the patent leather, which I was thinking about for the polka dots. I thought it would be a nice little detail, but if that doesn't work out, I bought some felt just in case. And then I have this red foam for the mat.
It's time to sketch. It's time to cut and sew.
So I'm gonna test and see which way stretch the best. This is usually a 4-way stretch, but sometimes one way usually stretches more than the other. This side stretches pretty good. This way, I think this one actually does even more. It can stretch and pull the same amount, but the ease of the stretch is important. This one stretches easier this way. This one can stretch as much as that side did, but this one has a little bit more pull to it. So for Mackenzie, I'm gonna do the easy stretch. For me, I would've did it this way because it was tighter and would've brought everything in. So since it stretches easier this way, I'm going to have this go across the body. Now I'm going to use one of her shirts as a pattern. I already marked where I would want it to stop. So here's the front, and then we're going to put right side of the fabric for the front, and we're going to put the back piece of the top and put the right side facing each other, so that when we sew it here, once we flip it open, the right side of the fabric is on the outside. So this is E6000, one of my favorite glues to work with. This is not necessarily fabric glue. This bonds like everything, and it dries pretty quickly, and it lays flat. Hot glue usually has a bulkiness if you don't get it flat enough before it dries. So I just want to test it. I used to actually make some jewelry with this glue back in the day. Oh yeah, I like that. Look at that. That looks so dope. So I bought this craft foam, half of a ball, because the girl has like a little device on her hip, so we're gonna use this. So I'm going to use the invisible zipper foot like that. It has grooves right here where the zipper will go. See how clean that is? Invisible zipper.
It's time to show you my creation. She's cute as a ladybug. Thank you so much for helping me with this look. Please be sure to follow, like, and subscribe.